Installing BusKill on macOS couldn't be easier. Simply plug the BusKill USB key, which already includes macOS binaries along with other operating systems. Once the USB stick is plugged in, you can simply open the BusKill volume. Next, open the BusKill macOS folder and then the macOS DMG file. It contains the BusKill binary file. Go back to the previous window and open the Applications folder, which contains all the programs installed on your Mac. Then, simply drag and drop the binary file into this folder. And that's it. BusKill is installed. To show you, I will click on the program to launch the application. You can update the application right from its own interface. Just click on the menu in the top left corner, then select Update and check Update. We already have the latest version of BusKill, so everything is up to date and no new version will be downloaded during this demonstration. As you can see on the top right corner, I have the BusKill volume mounted and I have started the application for the first time. As you can see, BusKill is displayed in blue, indicating it is currently disarmed, so nothing will happen when I will unplug the key. In the next scenario, I will set up the session to lock when I unplug the USB key. Currently, BusKill is blue, indicating it is disarmed. I will click on the menu button on the top left corner, then select Settings and choose the lock screen option. I have set the action for the BusKill application to perform when the key is unplugged. The screen will lock. I will return to the BusKill main menu by clicking the left arrow in the top left corner. Now I will click on the Arm button. As you can see, BusKill is now red, meaning it is armed. I will now unplug the key. As you can see, the screen is locked on my Mac. And now I will switch the camera to show you a first-person view. As you can see, the BusKill application is in red, indicating it is still armed, and the key is properly mounted in the top right corner of the screen. I will now unplug the key that is in my hands, and the session will lock. In this scenario, we will configure BusKill to automatically shut down the computer when the key is unplugged. To do so, start by clicking on the menu in the top left corner. Then go to Settings. From there, select Trigger and choose Soft Shutdown. A warning message will appear, urging you to be cautious as initiating the shutdown could result in losing any unsaved documents. Once you acknowledge the risk, click on Continue, and then navigate back to the main menu. BusKill is in blue, meaning it is disarmed. Nothing will happen. We are going to arm it, so it turns red. Now, if I unplug the key, the computer will shut down. So be sure to save all your documents to avoid any loss. I will now switch the camera to show you what's happened on my side. We can see that BusKill is activated. The color is indeed red. We have the option to shut down the machine when BusKill volume key is unplugged. I'm holding the key in my hand, as you can see, and I will now unplug it. We now can see that the machine has completely shut down, and I need to press power on to start it.